Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the ResponseBridge S309 voice amplifier. Full disclosure that the company sent me this free of charge in turn for an honest review, however they are not compensating me in any other way, so as always this will be my honest opinion of this product. So this is a very simple device that allows you to amplify your voice or playback pre-recorded media and is perfect for a teacher, tour guide, or maybe even to communicate with somebody that's hard of hearing. Inside the box we have a quick start guide and the amplifier itself with a built-in belt clip. On the side we have a USB Type-C port for charging, a USB-A port for playing back media off a flash drive, and on the other side we have a pair of standard 3.5mm jacks for the microphone and an auxiliary input. Deeper down into the box we have a lanyard strap, an auxiliary cord, and a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. There's also a nice drawstring bag to store everything. Then we have the microphone headset, and finally, a standard 5V 1A USB charger. So let's take a look at this headset. It's lightweight and flexible and has a windscreen over the microphone and foam padding for comfort. The microphone boom is very flexible, which allows you to wear the headset in multiple ways based upon your preference. You can either wear it on your head like glasses, or you can wear it around your neck and position the microphone upwards, which I found to be the most comfortable. As for the amplifier, you can either attach this strap and wear it around your neck, around your waist, or just use the built-in belt clip, which I found to be the best option, as it offers the most separation between the microphone and the speaker. This is important because if you have them too close, feedback could occur based on how loud you have the volume set to. It's also best because it keeps the amplified sound away from your ears. I didn't have any issues with feedback unless the volume was very loud and the mic and speaker were too close, but under normal use it was fine. Test, 1, 2, 3, hello. Testing, this is a test of the voice amplifier on the loudest volume level. I personally don't have a use case for this product, which made it a little difficult for me to test and compare. However, I can say it seems to work as advertised. It gets plenty loud and clear and can be heard from quite a distance. It's lightweight yet pretty sturdy, and the controls on the top are easy to use. One neat feature is that it can play media files from the USB-A port. So on this flash drive I've loaded up a test song, and as you will see, it will start the playback automatically. Test, 1, 2, 3, hello. It also remembers the position in the file when you turn it off and back on again, rather than starting over from the beginning, which could make this a good player for things like an audiobook or podcasts.
It's the Mike Tech Show.
There's also an auxiliary jack on the side which you can connect to the headphone jack of any other device, and that worked as I expected. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you... But one thing to note is that this model does not have any kind of Bluetooth or wireless connections, which I think is okay considering its cheap price. If you do need Bluetooth or want a model with a wireless headset, ResponseBridge does have other models available with these features. Now let's test the loudness of the speaker. As far as battery life, on a full charge I got 19 hours of continuous playback, which is 7 hours longer than the advertised 12 hours. I love the fact that it uses the newer USB Type-C connector for recharging instead of an older micro USB or proprietary connector. The only thing that I think can be improved is the manual. The illustrations and directions cover everything, but there are many translation errors that some may find confusing, and the email address to contact the company for support is a little suspicious. So do I recommend this product? Yes, it's very simple to use and works quite efficiently. The quality's pretty good, the volume gets plenty loud, and the battery lasts longer than advertised. If you're interested in this product, please use my affiliated Amazon link in the video description. Your price stays the same, but a small commission may come back to help me on anything you purchase using my links. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please like the video and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments, and with that, I thank you for watching, and have a great day.